Your hotel's physical assets and guest amenities are a significant investment, so the effective management of them is critical. Introducing Vostio Location Solutions Hotel Asset Management. By attaching an asset management beacon and leveraging Vostio Location Solutions infrastructure, your staff will be able to easily and instantly locate the asset with a simple query search. From luggage and housekeeping carts to amenity rentals, bulk inventory, and even maintenance equipment, hotel asset management is your key to finding the right items at the right time. Knowing where your assets are in real time prevents loss or theft from eating into your profits and minimizes asset replacement costs. Vostio Location Solutions is designed with scalability in mind. Using the same BLE network, you can add staff safety alert devices, monitor the condition of motorized equipment, and more.